Welcome to the first video in my series of how to use Blender. The full series is going to be in the description, but this video is just going to show you guys how to download Blender. This will only take a little bit, then you guys can move on to learning the basics in the next video, which will be shown on screen at the end. So first, you got to go to blender.org, or if you want to make sure that you don't accidentally spell it wrong and go to the wrong site, you can click the link in the description. It will be linked there for you. And next, there should be a download button in the middle of the page here. It may look different for you depending on what version you're downloading, but don't worry, there's not gonna be any issues in this series if you're on a slightly newer version or older version of Blender, because Blender is basically the same in most of all the versions for the average user. So go ahead and click this, and it's gonna bring us to another page, and this is gonna have a big download button in the middle. It should automatically choose the right version for you, but if it does not for whatever any reason, you can click this button right here and you can choose the right one. And if you're on Mac, you want to make sure that if you have one of the newer Macs with the M1 or M2 chips, you want to click this one that has the Apple Silicon. If you're on an older Mac with an Intel chip, you want to choose that one. Just make sure you get that right, because it makes the program a lot faster if you choose the right one. But yeah, just click that button and you'll be on your way to having Blender and starting. So yeah, click the video that's on screen now for the next video in the series. If you guys want to see a list of all the videos in the series, you can click the playlist in the description. See you guys on the next one.